Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. In this machine component, we are going to use only one operation, that is a revolve. By modeling this sketch, we will revolve about this axis. Now we will create this model in NX. After modeling in NX, the component will look like this. This is the component. This is I have revolved around 270 degree. By revolving 360 degree, it will generate a full model. Now we have seen a 3/4 of the model with a cut section. Now we'll model this component. First go to the file, new. Here choose model. Our units are in millimeter. Make sure you are in the millimeter. Specify the file name and specify the location. Then say OK. This is the model we are going to create it. First we'll start with the base line. Take the sketch. I'm taking the front plane. Then say OK. Take one line. Draw first one line. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now specify the dimension of this line, which is 60. Just do you want to scale the entity? Yes. Press the roller to confirm. Now I have created this line. Then create the another lines. Then there is one vertical line. Then one horizontal line. Then again one vertical line. Then again one horizontal line. Then connect it like this and close it. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now we need to specify the dimension one by one. This height is 25. Then this height they are not given. From this point to here the height is 50. Press the roller to confirm. Then this angle is, just move this to here. This angle is 30 degree. Press the roller to confirm. Now here this distance is 40. From this point to here, which is 40. Press the roller to confirm. This total height is 100. Just click it here. This height is 100. Press the roller to confirm. Now the complete sketch is fully defined. Then we just want to create one circle here. Take the circle. Just put the circle here. Press the roller to confirm. Now just specify the dimension from here to here, which is 30 mm. Which is 30. Press enter. And from this point to here, this is 20. And the diameter of the hole is 15. Now the complete sketch is fully defined. Then go for finish sketch. Now we have created the section. From that section we are going to revolve about the axis. Then go use the option called revolve. The curve automatically taken. Specify the vector. The vector is this line. Here it is angle is 270 degree. Just say OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created the same model here. If you want to make it 360 degree, just specify the value of 360. Then say OK. You will get the full model. If you want the 3/4 model, just specify the value. If you want to one half of the model, just provide 180. Just OK. You will get half of the model. Similarly, we can modify the angle. From that we can get it. Then say OK. So in this tutorial, we have learned how to model this component. Next tutorial, we will come up with a new component. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.